Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a Circleimageview using the Cardview widget. So first of all, you're going to enable app compact and designs. Okay, now we're going to add a linear H, set the height to match parent and the gravity to center vertical and center horizontal. Now the next thing you do, you add the card view and an image view inside. Now the width of the card view is going to be width of our image view, so I'm going to set mine to 200 width and height. You have to make sure the width and height are the same so as to get a full image, so as to get a full circle. Now the width of this image is going to be set to match parent, scale type, center crop. Now you're going to set the padding of the card view to 0. Then in inject, you're going to set the radius to 360 degrees. Now 360 is going to make a circle image view, so I'm going to add an image to test this. Okay, now you can see the shape of the image we are adding. It is not a circle image, so let's run our project. Okay, now let's install our application on Androidx. Okay, now as you can see, we have the complete circle image view here. So if you find the video helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell so they can get more updates when we post a new video. Thanks for watching.